Let's learn about building the Maintenance Advisor dashboard. As a maintenance manager, I need a way to see all of my critical information or KPIs at a glance, so I was pleased to learn about the Maintenance Advisor dashboard. This dashboard acts as my individual homepage, displaying widgets of all of my important lists, media, and reports like charts and gauges. To set my Maintenance Advisor up, I click the gear icon in the top right corner of my dashboard. I have the option to select Charts and Gauges or Configure my dashboard. Right now, I'll select Configure Dashboard. Here I can find and select list view layouts. I start by choosing what record area the list view layout is stored in. Then I just click on the list view layout I want displayed on my dashboard. This will move over to my Maintenance Advisor Layout section, indicating it's been added. I can also build and select media widgets. I'm going to put some of my preferred vendor websites on my dashboard. I click this arrow, then click the chain link icon to upload the media I want. Once I link my media, I select the thumbnail, then click the Add Media to Maintenance Advisor icon. This will populate the icon picture at the bottom of my media, indicating it's been added to my dashboard. I can click Dashboard to see the widgets I've already placed. Now, I want to select graphic reports to place on my Maintenance Advisor. To do this, I come back over to the gear icon. This time, I'll select Charts and Gauges. This will take me to my Report Widgets area. I can also navigate to this area by using the main menu and selecting Report Widgets. From here, I can select the charts or gauges I want on my dashboard by clicking the Edit pencil, then checking the box next to Place on Dashboard, here. I can also do this from the list view layout by selecting the Edit icon and putting the check in the box under the Place on Dashboard column. To return to my dashboard, I come up to the breadcrumbs trail and click Maintenance Advisor. I can resize and/or rearrange the widgets on my dashboard to fit my needs. As a bonus, these widgets are constantly updated on an adjustable interval that defaults to 5 minutes. That gives me almost real-time information about my maintenance operations. For questions about this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@mpulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.